Hello everyone, back out in the garage again. As we can see, the projects are multiplying. I have our 1968 Triumph TR250, which is coming along nicely. Of course, there's always something to do on the Cobra. And I have recently agreed to take on this little British car. We've got a 91 Lotus XL that has had a little bit of an oops. There are no body parts available, at least new, and none showed up used so far. So I've agreed to attempt to rebuild this fiberglass fender. It's going to be a bit challenging. Got a few issues. This area here is driven down. This should be more up here like this. Looks like it was down some before, but it wasn't down that much. So I'm going to see if I can get this hood to come up a little bit. Find all the stress points. And just start gluing her back together. It's kind of all there is to it. Ideally, it would be nice if we had a few more of the pieces, but what the heck. If it was easy, there wouldn't be any sense in doing it. So we're going to give it a try. It'll be my next few videos. And we'll just see how she goes. I think it'll be interesting. So we'll catch you later as we make a little more progress. Once again, thanks for watching.